Bukadele. Would you redeem me, Jimmy D? Would you redeem me, Jimmy D? Yes, your best glass. And now so it's another video, a new video there. And it's about entertainment. What is can say what I say? What time you now me boy now to send pap can see pan and never be studio I say for yeah chassis. So when you have to book a say one artist a big artist who to make you made in tidy book a hit maker. One artist Jojo Awajiti. Oh, the whole Enzima, the whole universe. Or someone that will take Enzima music to the world. And truly, he's making waves. Internet or no, and then about the video now or the about Enzima boy home. It's young with sit down Jojo Mojo. You just invite Mojo Mojo say, Wabana say, not the Chonko. So, but Jojo Mojo, without wasting my time, it was all back in Mediana. So, Jojo, where would you redeem me, Jimmy D? Would you redeem me, Jimmy D? Would you redeem me, Jimmy D? It's your best glass. Yes, if you be a fan entertainment sport, if you be a funny things be a this all bad, this all would you redeem? And I said the Spyglass show, me near the man. Jojo, what's on? As far as I can see you. Oh, Charlie. My name is Shane. I'm not
well, you man, Charlie, we just try to put this on the map.
Try to put this on the map. Many things map and as a miniature. Many Jojo Mojo and then your studio has said. Jojo, they might be stuck at and felt me didn't find the chassis. Because people have been hearing Jojo, and then you be my new wisdom. No. Truly, Jojo is in the hood. Jojo,
blacker. I've been on my grind ever since I was just 9. I was searching for the truth, but all they told me were lies.
Jojo, I can see Jojo is on heat. Jojo is on heat. Jojo.
Every time you hit, bro.
Every time you hit. Jojo, again,
Charlie, well, it will program you. I will so you try to say,
I am Cote d'Ivoire. Hey, Jojo is taking Enzima to Cote d'Ivoire. So if you are a catcher, said this guy just putting Enzima forward. The person is my then. I'm not to Jojo. I got Jojo if you fan is by and I said, you are power on your flow, Jojo, and I said,
oh no, Melissa Makakula. Yeah, so my name is
Jojo Yabotre. What can we do? Many of them. Also, there is Mamma.
I'm the only Enzima boy, eh?
He's the only Enzima boy.
The realest Enzima boy on it.
You know, I don't want to Enzima boy.
Yeah, but I'm the realest Enzima boy on it.
You sure?
Realest Enzima boy.
Okay, Yanko.
So, like, Kojo Kweja, it's the original name.
Kojo Kweja. Where is my deal? Pure is my deal. Kojo Kweja. What's with the Kojo?
Monday for the make try.
Monday for
make no try.
Monday for the I most brand new. I don't say I'm here. Just your uncle.
So like Mojo basically a acronym. Okay. It just said making our journey original. And you're trying to show there Mojo.
Making our journey original.
Yeah, maybe I am fake. You only deal with real shit.
Or see maybe you be an end. You fake. Be original. You don't mean say dread no an end. Original. People have been doing dread fake be. What we say senior man there. Or see be there making everything original.
Me dread no unya be go be. Me kwa na be.
Ambo.
What would be that?
Me who dey am share fa. Me me share na say me share dey. The Jojo so far in the music industry no who dey sing.
Oh Charlie nyame adom especially here Yaban with the likes of UK, with the likes of Raycon, with the likes of Formula, with the likes of Don Kweli. I say we are trying to put his money on the map, but the message is in here Enzima phone no you hear more support because Charlie the baby piano here go for normal support here that many. Let's try to support ourselves, trying to put Enzima on the map so that everybody everywhere can hear the name Enzima and put Enzima on the platform. You understand?
Okay, I think Jojo have made mention of some artists here in there ones they are trying to put Enzima music forward. But Jojo person say so last time me hear fan Enzima music industry he's talking about the help. So what I say, me can no be there. Fans when this onya share say video na go to my YouTube channel and that's a Facebook channel no like subscribe and that's why the video no concern about Enzima music. The way I say put Enzima music to the next level no. And Jojo Mojo e can wan say. In Jojo, who play music you know how many years and how many months today?
Oh, Charlie, me the music there it has been part of me ever since I was a kid. But professionally it's been like 2 years.
2 years. But say as a kid, we film a video mobile. Look at Michael.
Oh.
I'm not saying that never we can no guitar mic. But o PSA bia, nkofo be hu say ye Jojo no 2 years in here. In the so far 2 years, you know, how many songs do you have? And as a song, and as a bia.
We working like 2 years no, 2 years no, and Drew Yankasa. This year can one a day 2 years.
Okay.
From last year we've been working. We have a couple of tracks. As a word, 3 tracks out.
Okay.
Shine,
3 tracks.
Buka Dylan, Free Your Mind. Oh, yeah, bro, Zima Boy, but you have 2 videos out.
2 videos.
Yeah, for the Shine and the Zima Boy. We are working on the Buka Dylan.
Wow, Jojo, we have 2 videos.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
so let me ask, what the video now Bemuna, person business I could say. Do you have management? Because video there, I say Zima Boy and I say artists who pay now work with your video there. Expenses now. Do you have any management?
Charlie expenses in there, Charlie may catch your crowd to the boom, but at least Nyamia don't know.
It's a quite how fast or to be true as to video.
Yeah, first of all, mini management. Mojo Gang, any management. It's a family.
Okay. Mojo Gang, and you're saying any management, any empire. It's just a so do you have your fans here? Oh, the first people say at least people can come. The first one I say at least people should come and not go say no. Fans near them. Oh, do you move there?
So it's about the gang, the whole gang.
Okay.
Boys no boy. What I say, Miami boys no. Miami place. And anytime they start, because they need support. They need people support because they have talent, you know, but it's kind of there anyhow. But then try with the likes of you perform a bomb now from UK up to Avenue. Yeah, but you can't go and find the support. It's a patch also like you pay for one share down from because it's not easy doing a video. Charlie, we are underground artists and made by my 2 videos. It's not easy.
I say it's not easy to do a video. So I say, minimum business because as Jojo are only management and I say we need empire and I say record video. We know to make your video there. Which means that the gang and I say the parties no more.
Charlie, so shout out to Mojo Gang. Shout out to Mojo Gang. Shout out to everybody, Charlie.
Which one body?
Oh, Charlie, your dogs. Me person best me body now. I say we anti the your dogs. Mojo Gang.
Yes, Mojo Gang. Your dogs. Who come when I mean come?
Who supporting me quite the way gang.
Is the man support you?
What's say no friend, Charlie. I don't know. Charlie, yourself. Charlie,
Jojo, what are your expectations for this year? And I said,
Charlie, this year they're mad. This year, last year. Ending of last year, I think we went to movies. Nyamia do premiere a movie, a series, but we come on the premiere on GH1. So you also expect Jojo Mojo live on GH1. Complete your love.
Okay.
You can't watch them. This is the first time. They can't be other.
Okay. On count of baby other. This is what you did. So there's backlash and I'm betting.
First place I'm saying it, and first place I'm saying it, we are taking Zima to Cote d'Ivoire. I said Makanda.
Nah, higher no beka. Went to baby.
So
went to baby.
Let's keep supporting. 2020 never be remixes me. Charlie features no. Yet they are crap for no bands, man. That's the only thing I can say.
And no plan. Make boom. Mojo said there. Or they are crap on there. And yes,
no. Yeah, the only bands. You have a lot of things here. Like funny thing is in Conform realize how beautiful Zima is.
I'm realizing how beautiful Nzima is.
Nzima being furniture, whether Makofubua, whether Bunzuki, whether my auntie Katrina Fuku, try. Let's promote the culture, let's promote the art.
Jojo, wait a minute,
okay.
Jojo is just pleading. I did some video here. I pleaded on the behalf of Mpeninfono. Whether you are the MP, DC, BBA.
We are assemblyman.
If we assembly, when you post be at least you have something in your hands, sir. Let's support the culture. Yeah, they say they boy. Yeah, when I say they boy you now, eba. I did video about that. So you show this video now. Share with YouTube channel, not subscribe. Jojo Mojo just pleading on the behalf of Mpeninfono said, "Omucho money no me because we have good things in Nzima." Like I said, open. The best is about the West. That's what I say. It means the West you have everything. In the Jojo, 2020, what drop a new song now?
2020, funny enough, me drop a sound here, but for big sound never. With the newest kid on the block, the freshest, the dopest, the maddest, the most talented artist I've ever seen, apart from myself. 97 Avenue. I have a track with 97 Avenue. It's called Sikasem. It's going to be out soon. And my own joint with the same person, Avenue, it's called Flex.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm working this year. We are working. And more movies to Charlie. More movies. In Zima Boy, the movie coming out. Life in Half a Scene coming out, Charlie. More movies.
More movies. more video clips, more songs, more everything, more melody. Also, person didn't come near the advancement. One thing that was happening was the last time I said it in the video, said new artists are signing with new empire, perfect empire.
Perfect links empire. Shout out to Baddest OBU challenge. Shout out to yourself, bro. Shout out.
Is that the CEO?
Yeah, that's the CEO. That's the CEO. Perfect links empire. Challenge.
A new empire, yeah.
If me channel so bad, if in Penfoni now no crowd assembly man but he's trying to put the artist on it. If in Penfoni na base and try to also help her. Charlie, in Zima say the way they turn on they see Nigeria. If you go to Nigeria, always can need the video. I'm not develop it on the towns.
Yeah, okay.
Yes,
I understand. I think say you who again what do the mojo dream. Say the mojo na go pom one to me do so wa. Enya de bia like okoye person mukuminya. You made mention of sad the video Westgate people Nigeria or say no omo pa na omo ye development our Nigeria na say the area that they are. It to me say to me support income na as artist omo here there omo ba na omo so to do so wa. Omo so metu me there etuma bibi. The last time I was watching some video clip in Zema boy no. Start with mutual way fa.
Is my boy in the mutual baby miensa. Okay. Mutual be wo enyinase. Okay. Mutual be wati. But most parts no e wo isima.
Most parts no. Ndi wo gang na no mo gina wachi no.
E wo enyinase.
That wo gang no na say parties no mo gina wachi sa.
No, a few of them.
A few of them. Eh, just one more dance.
I don't know if you came to the program last week or last.
Oh, I wasn't around, so I didn't come.
So you didn't see. So we hijacked the whole place. See if Mojo Gang is supposed to. The whole Mojo Gang is in Ibasia. Okay,
Jojo, me too. The last time I heard Made in Tadi, which is last year, which is only a big platform.
Yeah.
So how was the performance?
Oh, bro. I didn't clear this. I thought I cleared it on my Instagram page. You go through one. A lot of stuff happened because time now, not time go. It's a much child. The artists play brand performing, including myself, Kubani. There was this senior man too. Also, he was even angry. But then I understood them because once any party time, we also had our parts to play. Yesterday, Nina is all good. Shout out to Kinata, Charlie. Shout out to Big Boss. I respect you, but to go for night somebody.
I was going for night. Until the last time I thought about me, say be a bit put them together for what if you organize it.
Yeah, no.
It's a man, Jojo. I'm afraid you may be no more program here. I can go about to me. Your dad, anybody. Jojo Mojo did I say. Me no so be kwata and say no piano. So we be share next time. Where you would do the Sparkler show. So person would go do you no so a. And no answer be contact 024 2840490. If you more artists, we be American, you be a better than again. A kind of fast way to push my music to the world. If you push Ghana music to the world. Next Ghana so the entire by there. It's about Sparkler. Subscribe our YouTube channel no. Sparkler G. Facebook, Sparkler G8, Instagram, Sparkler G8. Me say, but don't man also in a new video bar. I'm on notification say new video there. When I wasting my time no, I had to see ya cram.
Is that my boy on it? Mojo.
Right on beat.
Yeah, I spoke to God last night. I asked him, Daddy, am I ever gonna shine? Wish you could see the way he stared into my eyes and told me, son, your dreams will manifest if you just grind. So I took a pen and paper and wrote down lines. When I take a mic, I never care about lines. I just feed my mind. And I said a lot of times that I'm here to rise the black culture to a certain height. I did my best and I'm still trying. I paid my dues to the game, bitch, I wrote a check. So the next time you say my name, you better go and check. Rapper with the fashion trend, those are just my specs. You call yourself my big dog, I threw a ball to fetch. Yeah, me bobo la bezi kebi ameze. I've been chasing all my dreams, mommy mangin de. Bese me zeke sense no kwake mandin de. I keep it really slow, me a cat on quick. So I guess I gotta go fast like I'm Ramadan. Cause back where I'm from, they said I'm the one. Kids look up to me like the sun. I'm kinda like the Superman. Many more be go me jokele mwala be boy ye kepi no kyagan. Man, I spit from the heart straight into the hand. And shout out to the boys who never lend a hand. Yo, shout out to the teachers who said I am dumb. Now everybody screaming out that I'm a fan. Master damn me down, master damn me down. Those are the words that you told me when I came around. Wow, you're freezing out when you hear my sounds. Cause I give you chills and I see all our jokes, just a bunch of clowns. I've been up and down, but I'm happy now. I got my first kid. Looking ahead just makes me become. Man, looking at the mama makes me wanna come. I wish I could apologize to the farm. Yeah, back to the mountains in my way I cry. Every stage I turn up, I just climb a massacre. That's why my people they my back just like a backpack. I'm schooling all these new school rappers, I'm their master. They try to pull me down, but me need auto fista. Ben Hanley, you can don't fuck what you heard. They lied about my personality and persona. I lost my sense, I said, so what the fuck is that? Yeah, I've been to the belly of the beast. See some stuff on the street that the teen shouldn't see. Most of my homies street that from me said I am a wannabe. They never believe in my dreams, but it seems nowadays they wanna holler me. Others wanna partner me. They say that Jojo, you're a G. Where I'm from, man, we always murder beats. My niggas always smoking weed, young niggas feeling free. 8-time boy, all I got is one CD. We the freestyle in the booth, dreaming of owning Mercedes. We popping Bel Air, what the fuck is Guinness? And my homie said they winning, clocking wise within some minutes. Cause I pray, paper chasing even when it rains. I came out from the dirt, but I never caught no stain. I came out from the bottom where I never had a say. I came out from the money, man, I told you fuck the fame, goddamn.